I've been waiting, all there's left to do is run. So you be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. One time, way back when, well, you could call me Ryan Reynolds, cause we was just friends back in high school. With the games you would play, girl, you had me salty cause you kept me at bay, just like the Chesapeake. Arrested before disaster, despite the warning signs, you had me falling for you faster. I hid emotions and maintained my ideals, but I was no match for a heartbreaker in high heels. And while the football team was in the end zone, I was drawing plays to get me out of the friend zone. If I had one chance, I know I could give you this true love with a light shove, but you were oblivious, blinded by the prospect of heartthrob delusions. I could see it clearly, these King Lear illusions. So before you springboard and you jump to conclusions, just take a second chance at my devoted intrusions, cause I couldn't sleep, so my days turned to late nights. I was a mess, like cafeteria food fights outside your window, so you had to be near me. Kept calling your name, apparently you couldn't hear me. Guess these rocks that I was throwing weren't doing the tricks. I'll put down these pebbles, start picking up bricks outside your house day after day, cause in my ideal world I was hoping you'd say, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone.
I've been waiting, all there's left to do is run. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Okay, we were both kids, the young and the restless, but now I'm big and my name is on guest lists. I'm strong-willed, that's what I got my name from, and I'd be stupid to forget where I came from. I think back on the playground at school, 6th grade, and I was a fool to drool over the beauty that you had in excess. Forget hello, girl, you had me at recess. And that time that we played Red Rover, I broke the chain and I brought you back over. It was the first time that we held hands. It didn't mean much to you, girl, but I had plans to court you, support you, without a doubt. And so I took a leap of faith and I asked you out in a note that I wrote to help you make a decision. It said circle yes or no, but you made a revision. You're hard to understand, just like division. When you told me maybe, it hurt just like a collision between two stars, the bright stars over your head. I was outside your house and you were tucked into bed. Forget crushes, let's raise the stakes here. I want a love story written by Shakespeare. You disagreed and you sent me away, but in my ideal world, I was hoping you'd say, Romeo,
take me somewhere we can be alone.
He's right there. I don't know why I keep looking at my camera.
All you have to do is run. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love